Hi there, Rick Geha. Now, I have sold lots of properties that fall in the luxury category, and recently I had the honor to list a property at 1290 Curtner Road in Fremont. And this one is special, and I'll tell you why. First of all, to find a property like this that's under 10 years old, very rare. To find a property in excess of 5,000 square feet that is single story, again, very rare. In addition to this, it's a gigantic lot in the very exclusive Mission San Jose district of Fremont. It is in a great private sort of secluded location. You actually have to cross over a little creek to get into the driveway. It's really elegant. The other beautiful thing about this property is that it is so close to 680 and 880 so that it's perfect for commute no matter where you're going in the Bay Area. The inside of the main home is incredible. The touches, the elegance, the class, the floor plan, the bedrooms, every aspect of it, the kitchens, it's all really magnificent. And then there's also an additional home that can be used for many different reasons. If you have family that wants to come and stay with you, or you can, rent it out, any type of thing that you might want. Certainly always good to have that additional income. I love it. If you have an interest in taking a look at it, we'll plan a confidential little walkthrough for you. You're really going to want to look at this house.